Hey, my name's Zach, and Windows 7 can get kind of clustered. Now, by that I mean if you look at my desktop, everything is all over the place, and I can't exactly select which box I want on top and brought to the front, unless I just click through them. But let's say there's a bunch of windows there, and they're all spread apart. But I want this one right there. But I keep clicking on others on accident. So how do I bring that box to the front and on top? So if I go into my dialogues down here, you can select here and pick which new tab you want. And as you can see, it blurs out the others, thus making them invisible and making it so you can see which box you open. This also works with folders. So if I select folders, it'll bring it right to the top and in front of everything else. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to get your dialog box to the front and on top in Windows 7. Thanks for watching.